First row of supports. After laying the first segment, proceed sidewards, pleating the entire row of supports in stages. Start by applying the gauge to the lower brackets, sliding it into the last two brackets. Set new brackets in the empty places and screw them permanently to the roof. Then put support clamps on the brackets and slide on the support profiles together with the new brackets. Use the gauge to determine the positions of the brackets. Screw them permanently onto the roof. We repeat the presented process until the entire row of supports is filled.